Hey, what's going on, guys? This is gonna be the review of the next launcher 3D on the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge. Alright guys, let's go ahead and take a look here at all the most important things here that I did to the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge. So starting with the screen lock, as you guys can see, we changed the wallpaper. It looks super cool. There's also this really nice unlock effect. Also, I'm using this really cool wallpaper, as you guys can see, and we have this really cool widget right here, and this is a super clock widget. This is kind of like an all-in-one application. So basically this provides right here information for the battery, the weather, temperature, the city and state right here on top, calendar, and of course it's a clock, and you can customize here the look of the clock. We can go ahead and change right here the clock color. You can also change the clock background. You can change the weather icon, so you can change a lot of things here. So this is my widget that I have right here. Also, I'm gonna try to get close to the screen so you guys can see the icons. I'm using an icon pack, and they're all customized, how they look super cool. Take a look at the home icon right there to get access to the app drawer. It looks super cool. Also, the icon right there for Facebook, it's also customized. So let's go ahead and take a look at the transition effect, and this is a really cool transition effect. As you guys can see, everything is like 3D, and we also have this customized quick access right here, or widget to access the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, the data, also to control the auto brightness. And here's also a folder. This is how the folder behaves or looks like every time we try to open it. It looks super nice, and there's a couple of customization here on some of these icons. Let's take a look at the other side right now. Alright, looking at the other side right here, this is a calendar, customized also, and it's part of Go Launcher 3D. And take a look at the really cool effect as you are trying to change. It looks really cool. So like I said, the calendar, it's part of the Launcher 3D, so you can go ahead and download this if you want. And as you guys can see, it looks and it works really cool. Also, let's see what else we have here. Let's take a look at the app drawer now. There's the access to the app drawer, and this is the transition effect that I have for the app drawer. As you guys can see, it works pretty quick. It doesn't slow down the phone. We get a couple of options right here. That's gonna give you access to add icons to different screens. Let's go back here. So if we tap right here, guys, this is gonna bring up several options, and I'm just gonna click on some of them so you guys can see what it does. We can go ahead and change right here the order. So the next one right here gives you option to hide different applications. We're gonna go ahead and cancel that. The next one right here, I believe it's gonna allow you to create a folder. This is gonna let you search, and this one, it's gonna give you access to the settings. And the last one, it's gonna access a different application, Do Speed Booster, so you can go ahead and download it. Let's go ahead and access again the app driver. So this is the transition effect here between the app driver and the desktop, and as you guys can see, it works really quick. Also, the dialer was customized. As you guys can see, it looks really cool. That was a change is the font, and I'm gonna try to get close and take a look at the letters. If we can focus. So the letters were customized. The name and the letters for the apps was customized. Another thing that was changed was the texting application. I'm using a Textra. This is the newest texting application available. Super cool. And here's how to access to the setting and customize different things. You can change the font. You can change the text size. Let's take a look here at the behavior of the dock right here when we swipe up, and we get this really cool carousel. And from this point, you can actually change the look of the carousel. There are 3 different looks right here. There is that one, and you can look at it like this. You can do this one, and then you can do the middle one, which is really cool. And of course, you can go ahead and add more screens or remove screens. Also, if I hard press right here the recent application, it's gonna bring up this menu to access the settings of the launcher. From this point, we can go ahead and add a screen. You can go ahead and add a widget, change the wallpaper, access the settings of the phone. You can upgrade, and you can access the preferences. And then from this point, we can go ahead and change the wallpaper, screen orientation, screen rotation, change multiple things here. We can also adjust or change the app driver behavior. The next one is the icons and folders. You can also change the size and the style of the icons. For this one, you need to buy the full version of this launcher. So there you have it, guys. This is a look here at the Launcher 3D here on the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge. As you guys can see, this is a really cool launcher, and we did a really cool customization here on this super cool looking phone. So guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and subscribe for more. Share the video to help others, and I'll see you guys on the next one.